this one. Because I'll try to edit the thumbnail if I can. Vlogging with Vinco, hello. Evil Cat, oh, you have a short video? Okay. I'm gonna pin this one. Daniel Barry Sports Highlights. Pin ko din. wait. Evil Cat. And Peyton Samuels, hello. Yan, pin. Let me go to Daniel muna. Go to channel. Wait. Lalabas muna ako ha. I need to go to your channels. Here on the phone. Let me edit. Oh, yeah. Let me try if I can edit. Here. Ay, wag na lang pala. Sige, later na lang. Later na lang, may gulay. Because if I do that, magiging buo siya. Hindi pala pwede, no? I forgot. So, hayaan ko na lang siya muna. Hindi muna, later na lang. That's how I edit the thumbnail. Kasi buo siyang mailalagay dito, oh. For example, let me see. Let me get the photo first. Buo pala siya. Oops. Let me edit the naka-crop ko muna. Daniel Barry Sports Highlights, Peyton Samuels. Wala, may kumagat sa akin. Let me see. Dito muna ako, ha? Jude James, maraming salamat sa thumbs up. Go to channel ako kay Jude James. Evil Cat. Ayan, let me go here. Let's go to Evil Cat. Sino pa ba? Sambaris Caterales, hello. Vlogging with Vinco. Hi, she is a pro. Me? Wait, I'm gonna edit here first. Oh no, that's bad. Ulitin ko yung editing ko, ha? Oh no. Hayaan na natin yan. So, I'm gonna just test. Crop ko na siya. I'm gonna crop natin yan like that. Okay. Crop. I'm a pro. Pro editor. Same. That's how you do. That's how I do this one. Then I'm going to remove this already. It's 1:31 in the afternoon. Oras sa buong Pilipinas. Okay. So that's it. And then let me change kung kaya mag-change. Yan. Kaya. Done. Ha? Na-done siya? Let me see. Na-done eh. Ayun, na-change siya. Look. That's how you change the thumbnail. And then, of course, don't forget to save if you did any change. Whenever you do something. Okay, teka lang. I need to go to Vlogging with Vinco. Wala. And then this one, Joe James channel. Teka lang, Joe James. Pin ko kayo. Bahala na kayo magpunta sa bawat isa. So, alright. Okay, so let me go to the... Yeah. Shout out muna sa aking mga channel members, by the way. So, here you go. Punta na ako sa live control room. Metallica. Metallica ba to? Metallica, Vlogging with Vinco. Abel na? Alright. Teka, alisin ko to. May huli. Alisin ko to, ha? Alright. There you go, Metallica. Sambaris Caterales. Asan na si Samber? Alright, so shout out sa inyong 5 na nandyan. 5 ba? 5 pa ang nandyan. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na nandyan. Vlogging with Vinco, James channel. How do you do screen record from your phone like that? This is screen. Yeah. This one. Can you see this one? Oh no. Cannot see it. Natatabunan. That one. That one. This is a screen recording. Something like that. Look, can you see? You tap that and you start recording. The record button. For example, like, and then just check and it ends like that. Let me play. So, alright. So that's it. That's how you record using that one. But this is a screencast. With Bisong Red, maraming salamat. How are you, sis? I'm good, bro. Teka lang. Let me read from here, okay? Teka. Yung abot ko lang. Alright. Mababasa ko ba? Ayan. Vlogging with Vinco, Jojo's channel. Ang live ko soon is Mobile Legends game. Uy. What time po? Kasi 4 o'clock kaalis. Ano kami? Mayroong kaming gathering daw. Gathering doon sa may barangay. Ay, teka lang, shout out Samber Risky Terrales. Sige twin. Samber twin. Ayan. Ayan. Peyton Samuels, vlogging with Vinco. Nakamitali ka si Vinco. Belt Strolls. Thumbs up number 14. Vinco bro. Vlogging, how are you sis? I'm good, thank you. Samber. Pero, hello po, salamat hapon. Magandang hapon. Saging si Ang. Tama ba? Salamat paging. Ay, ano yun? Kalimutan ko na. Twin, kain ka lang. Sige, thank you. Alright, so eto ko ngayon. Nakapag-open ako ng ilang tabs. Pero, hindi ko pagsasabay-sabayin. Wow, very nice. Happy Chaira Davati. This looks very nice. No, your images are images. Cat, are you still there, cat? Okay. Teka lang, Evil Cat, we are in Shatra Navarati Festival has started. Wow. Again, sabihin ko lang na beautiful, Beautiful.
Ganda na dibdib mo, Luvlines
Images. Okay lang, I'm not on camera.
Okay. Alam ko, magpapakita kang dibdibin.
Okay, tamo, and icon. Alright. Oh, cat vase. Okay. Cat, those are beautiful, colorful. Upcoming ni Joe James TV. Waiting for Joe James 1:23 p.m. Alright. Sabi ko na lang MLS, opo. Thumbs up po, number 1. Joe James live. Magla-live si Joe James. Peyton Samuels. What am I going to play? Ito na, 1 day ago, holding back. Simply Red, holding back the years. Alright. Ayoko mag-ano. So, Metallica ongoing. Evil Cat. Oh, boy. You can go to Evil Cat. Wow, Metallica talaga. What's this? Let me try it again. Okay, she is my beautiful goddess. Alright. So that's Chavrati. Yeah, I'm already done with this one. Okay. Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful Indian goddess. Alright, so that's all for that. Oh no. Let me show to you pala. I forgot. I'm gonna show you how to create a highlight, because last time, Python, are you reviewing my channel? Cause it sounded love you played a video upload. Yeah, I'm viewing your channel here. Here, can you hear it? That one. Oh, right. cannot do that while live streaming the game. It's okay. James, mag-live na ako soon. Sige, sige, sige. Doon ako BG, sisilip-silip lang ako. Naka-open na ako doon. Naka-open na pa ako doon, James channel. Okay lang yun. Pwede ako mag-video dito habang naka-live. Thanks, yeah. I like that so much. Right. Ay, sorry. Thumbs up na ako, Just a thumbs up for you. Okay, so let me show to you how to make a highlight video. So look, you'll see this one. Can you see this one? Ayan. We can post the ads with this this $sign post. This is $sign. You can add ads, advertisement, insert ads using that one. And with this icon, you'll be able to create a highlight video. So let's do it. Tap that one. And then you'll be able to see this one. Ayan. Up to how long you want to. Oh, sorry. Nalo. Ano ba yan? Nawala. May gulay. Take 2. So that's the problem. Nagbalik, bumalik. Okay, take 2. Take 2. I'm gonna show you how to create a highlight video. Take 2. So ayan. This is what you tap. This icon. And then you'll be able to see this one. Yeah. So, how can I pull natin? Make it smaller. Ayan. So, naka-public siya. We make this unlisted. And then, And then, ayoko na nga! Next. Yun ang problem Okay. Take 2. Lagi nagkakamali. Kumusta kaibigan Kuya Joe and Jenny Journey? Welcome to the live stream. Ayan, si Joe James channel. Peyton, it's still inisti mo na? Joe and Jenny Journey. Ano naamoy ko? Oh, I was trying to show to you how to highlight using the phone. Okay, ayan na. Take 2. Nahirapan ako So make it ayan. So how you highlight ganon. And then ito we're going to change the visibility from public to ayan. Title muna. Sige, gusto mo title muna. Okay. Lagyan ko ng editing. Okay. So, view, tawag ito? Visibility, unlisted. Meron na tayong title. Title na editing lang. And then, yan na. Kung gaano kahaba, like this one. Gaano kahaba ang gagawin natin. Mula doon sa umpisa, like that. Ano yun? Nandoon tayo sa pag-edit. Okay. So, right. Abutin natin hanggang dun sa umpisa. Yan, hanggang dyan. Replace pin ko muna. Yan. Kuya Joe, magandang hapon. Mabuti naman po ako. Kumusta din kayo? Wow, I didn't even know you could clip videos in the YouTube editor. Yes, you can, on the browser, YouTube studio.youtube.com, you can do that. You can clip your live stream, highlight a live stream, because clip you can just, it's just like 1 minute, tama ba? 1 minute, no? 60 seconds. 60 seconds yata lang yon, or 30 seconds. It depends. Maximum I think is 60 seconds if I'm not mistaken. But for a highlight video, you can do this. Yeah, it's like that. So that's it. You've already put the title. And you already...
Sige, Mama.
Teka lang. Pasok kasi mo si Mama.
Wait lang.
Ayan.
Oops.
Already put the title. And then everything. The visibility unlisted so that you'll be able to easily trim the video. And then after that, you just tap this one, create here. Yeah. Create this one. And then you'll be able to see here below. Asa na yun? Uploading, editing. That's the title. Mabuti naman, salamat sa asking, kaibigan. Magandang umaga sa Amerika na po. Magandang umaga, Amerika. Magandang hapon, Pilipinas. So that's it. So that's how you create a highlight video. Okay. So, I'm gonna make a highlight again so that I'll be able to show to you how to create that highlight video. Alright.
Saan ba yun?
Sa kabila yata. Okay, magsa-shoutout muna ako while I'm having this. Okay. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na nandyan. Sino ba nandyan? Uy, isa lang nandito. Thank you. Kuya Ju and Jenny. Good work. Keep it up. Maraming salamat po. Reverend Dream. Mega love shout out. Reverend Dream. Let me check Reverend Dream. Teka lang Reverend Dream. Mega love shout out po. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. From where are you, Reverend? Let me see. Brother Brett Glazo, hello. Welcome to the live stream. Reverend Dream. Teka lang I'm gonna check Reverend Dream muna. Let me see. So this is how you do that. You go to channel, you tap the name, you go to channel. Easy, isn't it? Brother Brett, thank you. 2.21k subscribers. Okay. Just going to show your channel, not going to watch from here because I might lost my live stream, no? Teka lang. Baka nawala ako. Hindi ba? Let me see. Am I still live? Can you still see me? Or I'm gone? Shared. Thank you for sharing the stream, Brother Brett. Am I still live? Can you still see me? My gulay. I don't know if I'm still live because whenever I go to the... Alright. I'm still live streaming, Oh, sorry, Reverend Dream. What happened? Reverend Dream. Sorry. Nightbot. Oh yeah. For your safety, I'm gonna make you a moderator. Sorry. So this is how you add moderator. Where is it? Oh, sorry. There you are. And standard moderator. And save. So that's how to do it. Thank you. Thank you. I thought I lost connection. Peyton, didn't? Okay. Nagbasa na ako doon, yeah. Ayan. Thank you. So, that's all. That's all for the screen sharing, how to edit and how to give moderator, how to make a highlight video. I'm going to create a highlight video now. Ay, sorry. Okay. Ito na. Binaba niya na yung sitwin. Alright. Pwede naman ako mag-create ng highlight video. Can you still hear me? So, I'll be creating a highlight video now for how to create a highlight. Okay, ito na ako.
Akala ko, kasama si Nana ko. Sabi ko yung nakaraan.